never had no one that I could count on. I've been let down so many times, and I was tired of hurting, so tired of searching, till you walked into my life. It was a feeling I'd never known, and for the first time I didn't feel alone. You're more than a lover. There could never be another to make me feel the way you do. And oh, we just get closer, I fall in love all over every time I look at you.
There's not a day that goes by that I don't thank God for putting you in my life. I spent most of my life lost in the dark with no real purpose. Today, the life we have built together and the love we show one another is what I searched for my entire life. I'm so grateful for you. I love you. You're my forever.
I fall more in love with you every day. The more I know you, the more I love you. I'm excited to have a little Chris or Ashley running around in the future. I'm excited to spend my life with you.
I love you.
My grandpa made. It was my whole world back in my innocent days. I love that little white church out on 109. Swear I hit my knees and I thank the Lord for this life of mine.